Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to use split screen on your phone, so you can use two applications at the same time. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process how to split screen on your phone. So let's dive into our video. Now you can see on the bottom on your phone, three navigation buttons are there, which one is for back, and middle one is for home page, and last one is for overview button. So you have to tap one overview button. So now you can see here still I am not using any application. So first of all I will open one application, like suppose I open one Facebook. So I will directly close this, and again I will open one application Chrome. So now you can see here I already opened two application and directly close these two application. Yeah, now again you have to tap on your that overview buttons. So now you can see here two applications are showing there. So you have to long press up any one. So I will tap on Chrome one. Yeah, now you can see on the top one split type icon is there. So tap on this. So now you can showing that which you want to add. So already I opened one Chrome and Facebook. So I'll add that Facebook for split the screen. So now you can see here now that screen is splitted into two form. One is for Chrome and the second one is for Facebook. So in this way you can split the screen on your mobile. So you can use two applications at the same time. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.